Hey guys, good evening and welcome back again to your Unacademy NEET English channel. I hope all of you are doing great, having the wonderful time. So my dear students, this session for which all of you were desperately waiting for which we were desperately waiting for which the entire Unacademy NEET English team was desperately waiting for, right now I'm coming with that particular session. The plan for upcoming 5 months. What exactly we are planning to do in the upcoming 5 months, how we are going to utilize these 5 months in the best possible manner, how come you guys are going to get benefited in these 5 months, the maximum from your Unacademy NEET English channel. That is something which I shall be discussing in the today's session, right? So my dear students, before talking about that, I would want you guys to get up your preparation now, right? Get into your shoes. It is going to be the time to reset, to restart and rebounce, my dear students. Yes, and I hope you all are desperately waiting for that. Perfect. All right. So my dear students, let's get going. Let's get started with this particular session. Few important points, few important questions which all of you must be having in your head at this particular point of time. I'm going to discuss them one by one. And I'm not going to take more than 5 to 10 minutes, my dear students, right? So first of all, a lot of students have been asking me about the difficulty level of the NEET 2024 examination. Is it going to be difficult or easy, or what is going to be the pattern, etc.? I'll be talking about that. Number one, what is the 5-month strategy, right, which you guys will be following with us, right, so that you all will fall into your dream college? That's number two. What is going to be the plan for the students who only watch this particular Unacademy NEET English channel? That means the pure YouTube students. What is going to be the strategy for the plus batch students? That means those students who have joined us in the Avenger batch, be it Avenger 1.0, 2.0, 3.0. What are going to be the high weightage chapters? This is one more topic which must be coming into your mind. And my dear students, this is going to be the one-stop solution for all, right? I'm going to discuss about them one by one. Yeah? Firstly, this particular question. What is going to be the overall difficulty level of the NEET 2024 examination? My dear students, if you use your common sense, it's evident your NEET 2024 is going to be comparatively tougher than that of 2023 or 2022 or 2021. And you know the reason as well, right? Again, I'm repeating the same reason. If I particularly talk about my subject, chemistry, all the high weightage, all the easy kill chapters, which were almost like 10, all those 10 easy kill chapters have been deleted from your syllabus. So what does that indicate? What does that mean? That simply means the questions, the 5 to 10 questions which you used to do in like 5 minutes after receiving your NEET paper, those questions are not there now. Those questions won't be there, right? All of you must be familiar with the fact when you used to receive your NEET paper, basically, there used to be in 5-10 minutes, you used to complete like 10-15 questions by just looking at the questions, right? By just looking at them, because the questions were directly from NCERT, right? But my dear students, those questions which we used to call the easy kill chapters, those which used to come from the easy kill chapters, those are deleted basically. So what does that mean? That means those 10 to 15 questions are distributed now in the other chapters, like your thermodynamics, like your equilibrium, like your hydrocarbon, right? Like your chemical bonding, like your electrochemistry. So I'll just say it in one statement. In your NEET 2024 examination, more questions will be asked from difficult chapters, right? Because those easy kill chapters are gone now. Again, I'm repeating the same statement. More questions will be asked from difficult chapters. Now, what does that indicate? That means your NEET 2024 examination is comparatively going to be tougher, for sure. Again, I'm repeating the one-shots which you have been following till now, right? I'm talking about those one-shots in which a chapter gets complete in 1 hour, 1.5 hours. Avoid that at this particular instant of time itself. Go for the detailed study. You have got 5 months still left. And if you give your best in these 5 months, I'm damn sure if you follow the guidelines provided by us, I'm 100% sure, my dear students, you are going to make it big this year, right? So keep one thing in your mind, that your NEET 2024 examination is going to be tough, right? But if you follow the proper guidelines, no one shot. Which one shots I'm talking about? Those one shots in which a chapter gets covered in 1.5 hours, 2 hours, like that. Avoid that right now. Avoid that right now. Okay, because your NEET examination is not going to be the same anymore. It's not going to be the same anymore. It's not going to be easy now. It will be in the category of moderate to difficult. Understand that. Okay. Now, my dear students, what strategy exactly we are looking for? Right? Let's talk about that. Let's talk about that. How I am planning, the team is planning to utilize these 5 months with you. First of all, as you all must be knowing, on YouTube particularly, or in the Avengers batch, almost 70% syllabus is completed. You know it, right? Be it physics, be it chemistry, be it zoology, botany, almost 70% syllabus is completed in the Conquer batch, right? Or in the Avengers batch. You know it. Now, dear students, for like 5 to 6 more days, we are going to continue with the Conquer batch itself. Let's try to complete, let's try to wind up the chapters which are pending in the NEET Conquer batch. And what after that? After that, there is a amazing plan for you, which I'll be revealing in some time. But before that, I would want you guys to have a look on these high weightage chapters now. Now these chapters are going to be your high weightage chapters. You know, a lot of students earlier, what they used to do, they used to leave the difficult chapters like thermodynamics, like equilibrium, like electrochemistry. They used to leave them because they knew that they have got 10 easy chapters in hand. But you don't have the 10 easy chapters in hand now. Now you cannot skip these chapters, my dear students. You have to understand them, right? You have to do all the types of problem patterns which can be asked from these chapters. So in short, you cannot avoid these chapters at all now. Earlier, students, they used to do it. They used to, talk about these particular chapters. They used to do these chapters on very less priority. But now you have to do these chapters on high priority. Let me be very honest. And look at the high weightage chapters. Thermodynamics, thermochemistry. Minimum expect 4 to 5 questions from this particular chapter. Equilibrium, minimum expect 4 questions from this chapter, right? Do not try to avoid these chapters. Electrochemistry, minimum 4 questions. Kinetics, minimum 3. Chemical bonding, 4 to 5 questions again. Hydrocarbons, 3 questions. General organic chemistry, 3 questions. Your aldehydes, ketones, carboxylic acids, 4 questions. Alcohols, phenols, ethers, 3 questions. P block, 3. Solutions, 3. Mole and redox, 3. Now this forms your high weightage. These are your high weightage chapters in, as far as the subject chemistry is concerned, for the NEET 2024, right? So do not try to avoid any of these chapters which you can see on your screen right now. Perfect. And I would say majority. What majority? I would say all these chapters we have already covered in the NEET Conquer batch. You can check it, NEET Conquer batch, which is on YouTube. You can check the playlist. All these chapters are covered. Some of the chapters are covered by me. Some of the chapters are covered by HSP, sir. Right? Yes, so you already have one playlist in which everything was done in detailed format. There are few chapters left, right, which some sessions are pending. So I have kept like 5 to 6 days to complete those sessions so that those chapters will be over, right? Now, what after that? My dear students, all those students exactly who think their preparation is not up to the mark, all those students who are yet to start their preparation properly, particularly for you, what we are coming up with? We will be starting a fresh series, a new series, particularly on YouTube, right? And my dear students, from the name itself, you can understand what this series will be all about. Reset, restart, and rebounds. In this particular series, which is going to happen on YouTube, which is for everyone, all our plus batch students, all our YouTube students. This is going to be for everyone. I'm not going to talk about in the detailed manner right now about this series. I'll just give you the glimpse of what we are planning to do. My dear students, this particular series will be starting from 2nd December. All the sessions will happen on YouTube, absolutely free of cost. Again, we are going to start from the basics. Again, we are going to start from the scratch. Again, we are going to start from the chapter 1, right? And the detailed plan about this particular series, like which all chapters we are going to cover in chemistry, right? The sequence of the chapters, the sequence of chapters in physics, the sequence of chapters in biology. I'll be coming up with that video as well in 1 or 2 days, right? A quick glimpse, what we exactly are planning to do. Approximately, now you have got some 70 to 75 chapters. My dear students, in this particular series, 70 chapters will be covered in 70 days. I know you're amazed, right? 70 chapters will be covered in 70 days. What does that mean? That means in 1 day, we are going to complete 1 chapter. Don't think that we are going to complete a chapter in like 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. No, we are not going to do that. Every single chapter will be completed in 7 to 10 hours, my dear students. So it's going to be 1 chapter 1 day. On this particular channel, on this your Unacademy NEET English channel, every day 1 chapter will be covering, right? The sequence of the chapters will be letting you know. The session duration will be 7 to 10 hours. No need to worry about anything. Every single thing will be provided again from the basics, from the scratch. All the theory will be covered. All the problem patterns will be covered, right? And dear students, as I told you, it's going to be 1 subject 1 day now, right? It's going to be 1 subject 1 day, starting from 2nd December. But till 2nd December, whatever chapters were there in the Conquer batch, which were not done yet completely, we'll be completing that playlist. We'll be completing those chapters properly, right? Now, you must be thinking, what about the problem patterns? What about the problem practice? My dear students, this is not it. This is not it. This is not it. First of all, this will be followed. Apart from that, there will be separate extra problem practice sessions on Unacademy platform. On Unacademy platform in the form of special classes. And these special classes are also free for everyone. We'll just be giving you the link, right? You just have to click on that link. Automatically, you'll be directed towards the Unacademy platform, where we'll be taking the extra problem practice sessions, right? For every chapter. So it'll be like this. For example, day 1, I've completed thermodynamics on YouTube. Day 2 on YouTube, in the evening, for example, starting from 3-4, in the evening, there'll be 1 more subject going on. But in the morning session, in the morning slot, I'll be taking 1 extra session through special class, in which I'll be discussing the extra problem patterns of thermodynamics, right? So you have to be associated with us through YouTube as well as through special classes, my dear students. Perfect. I'm 100% sure you are amazed to see this particular series, but we are starting it, and it is going to be the time, again, I'm telling you, it's going to be the time to reset. My dear students, it's going to be the time to reset, restart, and rebounce now. We have got 5 months left. Let's complete the whole syllabus again from the basics, again from the scratch in just 70 days, right? Let's do the problem practice within these 70 days, including all the theory, right? Let's give our best. Let's try to conquer it properly. All those students who are yet low in confidence, all those students who are yet to start their preparation, you're most welcome here on this particular Unacademy NEET English channel, people. Because when it comes to content, we do not compromise on content. No way. No way at all. Right? So, related to the detailed things about this particular reset, restart, rebound series, I'll be coming up with 1 more video. You just be tuned with us, right? In just 1 or 2 days, I'll let you know the exact complete plan on which day, which chapter, from which subject we are going to cover on YouTube. Perfect. I'm sure you guys are all aligned, because we are aligned. We are super duper excited with this particular series. My dear students, let's give it a best shot. Let's give it a best shot. Let's kill it. And I would want you guys to write in the comments, hashtag let's kill it. And when you get in the meantime, right, when you start following the series, there will be a time again when you feel saturated. I would want you guys to look at your comments which you have posted on this particular session. Let's kill it. That is something which will keep you motivated all the time, right? And now a lot of students will be thinking about whether we have to do the note making again. all those students who are already the part of Avengers batch, or those students who were the part of Conquer batch, you're not going to do the node making again. You're just going to keep on adding, subtracting things from your notes by following this particular series, right? Just keep on adding things, subtracting things, adding things, subtracting things, which will tell you exactly in these sessions. And all the sessions are now going to be as per the latest NMC guidelines, right? So my dear students, this was a super amazing surprise for all of you. I'm 100% sure that you already liked it, right? So do let me know in the comment section how excited you guys are about this particular series. Do let me know in the comment section that we are together till the end, right? We are together till you all fall into your dream college. Do give me that confidence, right? That we are together. Let's be together till you all fall into your dream college, right? And at the end, one more thing, my dear students. All those students who still would want to enroll into the Avengers 3.0 batch, which we recently started, right? You can still join in, right? The batch is at a very low cost. Some 3,000, 4,000 rupees is the price of this particular batch, right? Go for this, right? This is one more option for all of you. Go for this because it's at a very cheap price at this particular point of time, right? All the lectures of me, HSP sir, Shreya sir, Ambika ma'am, you'll get, right? And you can, this is one more way of starting your preparation. Perfect. The link of this particular Avengers 3.0, I'm going to keep in the description box of this particular video, right? And my dear students, there are some other things which I don't want to discuss with you at this particular point of time because there is one more video which is coming up in 1 or 2 days in which I'll be just giving you the entire schedule, the detailed schedule, right? And all the session PDFs you'll be getting in 2 telegrams, my dear students. All the session PDFs you'll be getting in 2 telegrams. What are those telegram channels? Let me show it to you. There is one particular telegram channel, t.me/Unacademy NEET English. On this particular channel, you'll be getting the session PDFs, and there is my separate channel also. You know it already. t.me/Wassim Sir Chemistry. On this particular channel also, you'll be getting your session PDFs right after the sessions. So stay tuned, right? Let's kill it together. Again, I'm saying, let's again restart, right? Let's think that we are at the same time. Let's imagine that, if you remember when we started this particular channel, imagine the way we started, right? Imagine the josh we all had, right? Let's get back with the same josh. So let's kill it together. I'll see you in this particular series. This was your chemistry educator, Wassim Bhat. I hope you liked all the surprises, and let's kill it together, people. God bless you all. Bye-bye.